Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well and everything is good. Today we have another video on how to do African thread method, just easy and beauty hairstyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like this video and subscribe. Also turn on notification bell. And if it's your first time to cross by, thank you. You are welcome. Feel at home. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, also don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Today is easy style, guys. So I started by dividing my hair. Because this style, I'm going to style a big section. I'm not going to do very small section because I want to stretch my hair. You know, African thread method do magic. So after I divide my hair, back section I also divide 4 times. So I'll go with only 4 sections. And after that I go one more round again. Guys, this style can take you for a very short time. I use this yarn, dragon yarn, gold color. And to achieve this style, I use 4 pieces of this dragon yarn. So each section, I count 2, 3, 4 strands of yarn, as you can see. And then I take 2 more pieces, which I cross middle of this 4 yarn. I make sure both sides they are equal. To know the length, I make each one 28 inches, and there I fold into 2 already. So those 2 strands, those are the one I'm going to grab on top of my natural hair, while those 4 others I will hold together with my natural hair. I hold it over there and then I start wrapping on my natural hair. And I make sure I put close to each other because I use this color and I don't want my hair to show out. So I try to put close as much as possible to cover my natural hair. Then I keep grabbing. Grab and move. Grab and move. And guys, if you ever do any African thread method, you know how this style can help you grow your hair. Can help you stretch your hair. No need to use heat, honey. If you have natural hair after wash, you can do this simple, easy hairstyle. When you wear this protective style, also your hair will grow up and stretch very well. After this, I hold them together and then I add 2 more pieces of yarn. And then I keep this size, which I'll hold with other. Then I continue wrapping. When you wrap, you have to make sure you start a little up of the previous one so that this new one can hold together without sliding. Then I keep going. This size not so big, so I keep together and I add again. This is the second time I feed yarn or I add yarn. So let's keep going. I continue wrapping. Keep going. Total, I feed in 3 times. And each time I feed only 2 strands of yarn. Then I keep wrapping. And each section, this is the length I make down on my belt. Then I secure twice to make sure this yarn will not unravel and everything is okay. Secure again the second time. And then I'll keep these two pieces here, while these others I'm going to trim them off. After trim off, I band the ends just to make sure everything is well. And this is how it looks like after cuts. Then I fold it over there just to make the same length with the previous section I did, and then I start roll it. I hold it and roll. Hold it and roll it. When I'm rolling, I go up. So I roll, go up, rolling, move up, step forward. Rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. And here is the last rolling. So I continue to roll or to grab this yarn couple times, like 3 times. Then I separate this yarn, which I secured one time, and then I secure them in different direction. I think the more you watch, you'll understand more than my explanation. Then I secure it again, I wrap it again to other direction, then I secure again and again. And this is to make sure this yarn will not unravel even after I burn and I cut this excess yarn. And after that, I trim this excess yarn. You have to be careful, don't cut your hair. Four pieces of yarn, I hold them together with my natural hair, while 2 pieces of yarn I'm wrapping on top of my natural hair. After wrapping, I fold it over here and then I roll it. I roll. When I roll, I make sure I hold just to secure the yarn and to make sure the yarn will not unravel. So you have to make sure you hold it well with other fingers. Then keep rolling. When you finish rolling the yarn, you can take those excess yarn to wrapping on top just to make sure you secure well your sections. And after roll several times, just secure your yarn well. And after finish secure, you can cut and burn it, but burn, that is option. You can decide either you want burn or you don't want, that is option. Up to this point, I only make 20 sections on my entire head. So this style, I have only 20 sections. You can see, guys, how easy this style it is. Easy protective style, and that will help you stretch your hair. Here is the final result for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and kindly don't leave without like this video and subscribe. If you have any message for me, please leave your message in comment section and I will appreciate that. I love you guys, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.